Hi, my name is Kevin. Today I'm gonna show you how to start a steam turbine and put the load on. Now, so before we start that, we have to put the auxiliary equipment on first. That means the condenser, the cooling tower, and water pump. Okay, so now, also we have to also make sure the oil, the governor is okay, the oil for the bearing is okay, and also the drain of the turbine had to be open to let the water out. So now I'm going to turn on the steam slowly to the turbine and make it turn slowly for a few moments. So you can see the turbine slowly turning now. So let it slowly turning. And the next one, next step, I have to check one of the slinger wing for the lubrication. So I open it up. There is a wing in there supposed to be turning. So we want to make sure it's turning. Yeah, it is turning okay. So there's oil splashed everywhere to lubricate the bearing. So there is another one at the front. So there's another one at the front there. It's the same thing. Make sure that it's turning. Yeah, it is turning in there. I can see that. Now the next step, I have to test the safety device. Okay, and I can see some steam coming out from the exhaust, so I'm going to close the valve there. Now, and so the drain valve there, so check is any water coming out or not. So later on you can shut it off when the water is gone. So the next step, we have to test the overspeed trip, which is the safety device. You just hit the handle. Hit the handle and make sure the mechanism works. Okay, so after you hit that, you don't do anything and you wait for the turbine shaft to slow down, and you can see this the turbine is slowing down now. So this is a safety device. Now, so if the turbine is running too fast, and the mechanism will stop the turbine itself. So every time we start it, we have to test it, make sure the linkage is working okay before we actually put the turbine online. So right now you see the turbine is slowly slowing down. So we just wait for it, wait a few more moments until the computer stop. So I can see that now it pretty much is stopped now. Okay, so I'm going to close the steam valve to the turbine, and then I'm going to reset the overspeed trip. So just pull it up now, and then I can slowly open the steam valve again and make the turbine turn again. Now usually when the turbine is cold, we have to slow roll it for 15 minutes before we can put it online. But today we have already warmed up the turbine. So I'm gonna just slowly open up the steam valve and make the turbine run into the operation speed. Okay, opening the steam valve. Now, so this turbine is hooked up to a single phase generator. So it generates some electricity. So now you can see the turbine shaft is running really fast now. Okay. Now, so the next step, I'm going to have to check the frequency on my generator. So in North America, we run at 60 hertz. So we want to make sure it is run at 60 hertz. Oh, right now it's way over, almost 65. So I better turn it down a little bit. So by turning the governor, I can slow down the turbine, and then the hertz will slow down. Right now it's 60 and a half. So I turn a little bit more. Yeah, it is 60. So what you want to do is you want to check and make sure it's 60 hertz and 240 volts. Now we are ready to put some load on the turbine. That means we are ready to generate electricity. So This is a single phase turbine. So now we have a device in there that help we asked to put some load on. So the low band control. So we put on. So emergency stop is stop, turn on, and then I put on the breaker for the heat band and also for the light. So next step, I turn the emergency stop to the clockwise and it will pop out, and the low off side will come on. So I'm ready. So I put the low on, putting on. So I'm ready to generate some electricity. So now I'm going to put 1000 watt heating element on. Okay, and then I'm going to go over there and turn on the switch. Each one is 500 watts. Okay, 500, another one, another 500. The total is 2000 watts. Okay, now after I put the load on, I have to recheck my frequency. You see the thing dropped down to 159 and a half already. So it's okay like that, but I want to just adjust it to 160 hertz. Anywhere 659 and a half and 60 and a half would be okay. So I'm going to turn it up to 160. So now it's 60. So now we are ready to put some more load on. Okay, so that is how you put the turbine on.